Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick project share as well as showing you guys an entry that I got in from Ebony. She's sharing more. Can't wait to show you guys all her cuties. I am obsessed. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys my very first little itty bitty wreath. I made this using the same SVG kit that I showed you guys yesterday with the boot file. And it's called Santa Surprise. So I'll have the link down below so you guys can go check that out. But you guys, I used snow and cocoa and I love the way it turned out. You can actually put a cute little handle here. So you can hang it on your door. You can hang it in your space. And I think it just turned out super cute. And it's very easy to make. I used the pom-poms. I used the tags. I had printed this out. I have the digital, so I did the digital ephemera. And then I put these little jemmies in the back of the hats because it is a tag. And I think it looks so cute. You guys, I am obsessed. I want to show you guys the papers that I used. I did print them out. So I used this one. I used the yellow, the blue snowflake, the pink one with white snowflakes, this one with polka dots, and then the plaid one. And you guys, I love it. It moves around, so cute. It's my very first wreath. I did thick it up, so it has like 3 layers, so it's pretty thick. And I think it turned out super cute. So that is my first project, my project share basically, that I wanted to share with you guys. Definitely check out the links if you guys want to make the wreath. Super easy. But you guys, I got sharing more, Ebony's entry for my challenge. And you guys, I'm obsessed with everything she made. I did watch her video, so I knew what was coming, but this is totally different experience when you're looking at it in person. Look at her yummy little tassel here. I love this hot pink one here with the little orange. Look at that. So cute. So this is her tag flip. And look at that. Look at all the fun colors. Should I back up a little bit? Maybe I should. There you go. Look how cute. It says party and celebrate. Sorry if it got shaky. And look at the yellow background. And they're so thick. And look at this one. I love this sticker. So cute. Surprise party. Look at that. Life is sweet. I love the fun colors and like the inking that she did in the back. Look at this one. It says happy birthday. And there's like this little wood veneer here. Little shaker balloons. It says epic. Best day ever. Cute little party hat. I love this. So cute. Hope you have a happy birthday and eat lots of cake. Look at his face, you guys. And then look at this one, you guys. How cute. Little shaker balloon, little party hat, the little birthday candle. It says happy birthday. And she cut out the little girl and put her in the bag. That is so smart. That's so cute. And then in the back, of course, it says handmade by Ebony. Sorry. Sharing more. YouTube and IG. Definitely go check her out, you guys. She makes amazing projects. And she's the one that put me on to the whole splatter paint thingy. I love it. But you guys, look at her handmade card. It's in this like fancy box. We're going to take it out. Look at this card, you guys. Is this not stunningly beautiful? Look at that. It's like a roll, like a tear from the back. And those little bouquets of flowers that she made. And I'm so happy that she sent me some. So she not only put it on the card, but you guys, she sent me 2 of them for myself. Look, they're her embellishments. I love these. I need to check to see if she has a tutorial on that. That is such a cute idea. And then she also sent me these cute little gifts with the splattered paint because she knows how much I love it. Look at that. And then there's one on the opposite side. She's so good at that paint splatter. But you guys, I am obsessed with this card. Do you not see the beauty in this? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. There's like gold thread, so much detail. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Ebony, for joining the challenge and participating. But that is it for this video, you guys. I have been feeling good during the day, and then come nighttime, my chest starts to hurt, my voice starts to crack, my throat is like burning. I just feel like I can't seem to get like 100%. But we're just getting through it, guys. We're getting through it. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the love and the funny jokes from my previous video. I just thought it was silly, you guys. You know that I don't do clickbaity videos. It was just something funny, and I wanted to kind of like tease you guys. But that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.